Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome to Mr. DR Talks channel. Currently we are learning TypeScript programming language. In the last two sessions, we discussed about the commonly used data types present from TypeScript, and in the last session we have seen how to define optional parameters and how to create a function with optional parameters. At the same time, we and iterated employees present from this employees object. In this session, we'll see more extension methods present from employees object. Currently, we have an employees object which holds the two employees objects. The one is like employee ID with one, employee ID 2. If you want to see the list of extension methods present from this employees object, then employees dot we can see the list of available extension methods in the array object. Commonly used extension methods are find is one of the most commonly used extension methods and find index for each index of join, map, push, pop, reduce, shift, slice, short, splice. These were the commonly used extension methods, but in our upcoming sessions and the current session, we'll try to see each and every extension methods present from this array object. In this session, we'll see and we will learn what is the use of concat copy within entries. First, we'll see what is the use of concat extension methods. Concat extension method. The name itself suggesting us to concat, nothing but to add. If you overrun it, then here we can see additional arrays and our items to add to the end of the array. Means it joins newly coming employees objects at the end of an existing object. For example, if you observe here, currently we have two objects, the employee 1 with 0 index, employee ID 2 with 1 index. For example, if you are trying to concatenate a new employee, we know the type employee and we'll just assign all the properties. Employee ID 3, employee name Raja, salary 3000, is in IT or not, is not part of IT, false. Just copy this object and paste here because it is expecting items means you can pass list of items to concatenate. Okay, and if you overrun this concat, it's gonna return the modified modified items, list of items. For example, let me try to log it. Let me try to log this employees object. Yesterday we discussed about there are several ways to see the logic in JavaScript or dynamic TypeScript. If there are any errors, we can see in this section and logs. If you are logging something, then we could see here in this spacebar in this workspace. Let me just run it. Here we could see only two objects, employee ID 1, employee ID 2, because the concatenate returns the updated or modified items. In that case, what we need to do, we need to assign employees object with modified modified data. And if you hover on it, we can see cannot assign to employees because it's a constant. Because if you scroll a little up, here our employees object is constant. We can declare it once, but we are trying to reassign the data. In that case, instead of const, we'll go for let. In the next session, we'll see. In our upcoming session, we'll clearly discuss about what is the difference of let and constant. Now we fix the error and let me just clear this console and rerun it. Yes, as we discussed, the newly concatenated item joined at the end of the index. Okay, this is the advantage. This is the advantage of concatenate. In the real time, in our real time works, we'll get a chance to work with this concatenate because there were list of incoming objects flown into our system. At that time, we need to concatenate or we need to join the incoming objects to our employees or whatever the objects you gonna define. Now, the next one is like copy within. The name itself suggesting us copy within in the sense the copy within extension method will help us to place the a target item into the specified index position. For example, let me just take this item employees dot copy within. Copy within will expect three parameters that is target position, starting index and end is optional parameter. Okay, target in the sense, for example, I am planning to I'm planning to place this employee ID in the sense I am planning to place the first index item into the zeroth index item in the sense this is my target and this is my starting index. Okay, I want to end it with the third one in the sense I'm targeting to place my first item into zeroth index first item and end is an optional. Okay, second one. Let me just go and log it. Employees. Okay, just observe here. Employee ID is 1, employee ID is 2, and employee ID is 3. Now let me just clear this and run it back. Here we can see, if you observe clearly, in the zero index position, earlier we have the employee ID with 1. Copying this, the zero index is replaced with the target value 1, that is employee ID 2. Okay, this is the use of copy within. And our last extension method is entries. Okay, the name itself defining as list of entries. We could see and we could iterate. Okay, we could see the position of the index and the object. In a sense, we could see a key value pair of our employees object. For example, employees dot entries. If you overrun it, then we could see it will be iterable iterator. We could see the number in the sense the index position of that object and it's gonna return the employee object as well. For example, let me just try to iterate over. Let emp of employees dot entries and log it. Console dot log of employee. Okay, let me just comment it to avoid confusion and clear the console area as well. Let me just run it back. Here we could see, as we discussed, these entries will be returned an iterable key value pair of every entry in the array. The zeroth index position is available and the object is this. In the first position, we could see employee ID with 2. The second position, we could see the employee ID with 3. Okay, these are the advantages of and uses of concat, copy within, and entries. Okay. In the next session, we'll see the other extension methods present from this employees object. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Mr. DR Docs. Please leave your comment if you see any improvements.